Hi everyone, I am Erin Cobb, an immigration attorney here in Chicago, Illinois, here to talk with you about some immigration terms. Today we're going to talk about mandamus. A petition for a writ of mandamus is a type of lawsuit filed in federal court. The point of the suit is to compel an official of the U.S. government to perform his or her duty. In the immigration context, this usually means compelling the Immigration Service, or USCIS, to decide an application that's been pending for a very long time. Now, in this case, your lawyer has to prove three things, among others. One, that the agency, usually USCIS, has a duty to decide your application. Two, that you have the right to have your application decided. And three, the real issue in these type of cases, whether the delay is unreasonable. For example, the court could look to the expected processing times and whether your application falls outside that. Whether you've been harmed or there's been some other effect upon you because of the delay, or if Congress or the agency itself has set particular expectations for that application that they're not meeting. How does it actually work? Well, the attorney will draft a document called a complaint. This is the first paper that's filed with the court, and it essentially says, this is our problem, and this is how it can be fixed. Once that's filed with court, then the attorney has to serve or give copies to the opposing parties. In this case, the Immigration Service and other federal agencies. After receiving the complaint, USCIS is automatically given 60 days to respond to the complaint. It usually uses this time to investigate why the case is taking so long. At some point, the judge that was assigned to the case will set it for a status hearing. The agency attorneys and your own attorney will discuss the case and decide how to move forward. Sometimes the agency recognizes that the amount of time the application has been pending is unreasonable, and they'll just settle the case by deciding the application. Other times, the attorneys will wrangle and fight about it some more, but always through a formal written procedure in front of the judge. Now, an important thing to remember is that a judge cannot order immigration to grant your application with a mandamus suit. No. Instead, the judge is ordering the service to decide your application. It is then up to USCIS to grant or deny it as is appropriate. That's all for today. Thanks for watching. I hope you learned a bit about mandamus, and be sure to check back soon for more information on immigration law.